Okay, check junction, move to junction. Clear A1, move to A1. Clear agad yung junction, move to A1. We'll try to do this fast. A1 clear, straight to A4. Checking A4. Wala. Ilang tao?
6 na yung sila.
A6 si floor. Okay, everyone go to A7. Iniwan ng A4. A7. Base to A7, the rest sa M. Okay, nandito pala sila. Never mind, nandito A4 sa A7. Oh, nakumag sila. Spell. Okay, push na tayo sa base. F na. Base team, kayo na sa A7, the rest sa M. Push out si floor sa A9. Let's go. Push out si floor A9. Push out si floor sa A9. Okay, spell. Doom, near Jupiter sa akin. On top of me. Doom. Still up. May nag-king. Move. Retake. A9 na tayo. Retake MVP. Try to block si Thor, yung Che Guevara. Break guys, break. Focus on break na. The rest, break guys on break. 14 break. Yeah, keep the pressure guys. Keep the pressure. 5%. Okay, good job. Radicals, bad beat, let's go. Bad beat, radicals. Go back ulit. Hat, okay na yan. For 1 team. Nasa shutdown na. For 1, sama na kayo sa radicals. Go back. Ano yung lumipas sila para ba? Radicals lang.
This move, right side, pushing.
Okay. Right side, ready? 80.
Bridge na sila.
Bridge na sila. Ready guys? 80. Towards right bridge. Bridge roll. Ready? Slow push tayo, slow push. Let's go. Beast mode. Focus on beast mode. Beast mode, bridge. Right. Forward guys, forward. Expel. Keep expelling. Pag-ipil. Pwede na ipil yan, no? Start expelling. Good up guys. Expel. Faster with expel. Nice. Okay, expel. Oh, huwag kayo mag-E5. 8, diba? Ba't kayo naglakad? Okay, kindly check E6. Push from 80 to E6. Baka teleport sila. A6. Che Guevara. Si Flor. Someone yung party of A6. Teleport to A6. Tirans, please. Sumasayin natin nakasign for Tirans, please. Focus on that. Tirans, please. Expel. Fire expel. Follow up examination. Fire expel. Just go on us on block. Just focus first on Sigdor. Here's Sigdor. It's kinda hard because all of them are red. But if you know who Che Guevara is, just check the logo. 1-2 left side on Lioness. Deep. Bakit tayo i-release? Time. Double check. Focus down. Expel. Last expel, please. Please, para lumanan siya. Okay, 80 tayo. Not A2, not A6, A3. That's number 8 sa maps. On your map. A3.
There.
Clear na daw. Okay, go back tayo. Open area between area 5 and 6. Open area between A5 and 6. Look for damnation and beast mode. Don't let them regroup, guys. Go back clock of A5. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Beast mode.
This is stairs, ha?
Remove. May isa pa sa left. Tsaka sa right. Pero madulas yung move na. Manifest yung doon. Spin. Okay. Lower left. Beast mode. Spin.
Papasok daw 16 muna.
Okay, sinulan daw. Oh, nag-A5 guys, coming, lower left. We're going up. 16 bad boys. Okay, expel. Okay, start expelling. Okay. Keep it up guys, keep it up. Okay, let's slowly go down in 3, 2, 1, go down. Okay. Here, okay, good job. Back to A5. Wait tayo timer for radicals, I think. Okay, ready? A4, 3, 2, 1, let's go to A4. A4 everyone. Someone A4 now. Someone. Okay, retake. Sorry. For MVP, check yung E7. Okay na. A4 muna tayo. Check yung E5. Slowly check. For MVP towards E5. Garrison, check E7, E9. Retake 1, A4. We are in the clear, so have fun with killing us. Spell. Rising at E6. Anin. 10 seconds. It's okay. Just focus on simulan. Get your kills. Engage. Go down. Let's go. 5 seconds. Returning is A5. Inaabot yan. Okay, good job. Hold. Here's E. 4 seconds. No, fast forward. Ready? A5, 7 o'clock stairs. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Yeah, may mag-capture yan, mag-capture yan. A5 take. Go up, let's take A5. Sige, just close the door. Take A5. Check ba? Diba, nasa naman. Kaya nila. E4, nasa E1. Expel. Okay, just take. Wait for it again, to go neutral and go back up, okay? Ready, Rico? Go back up, A5 in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Marami yan. Go up. Nagpapul yung A5, go back, syndicate, rising. Focus muna, direct go back, clear, uprising, and victor. Syndicate to right side, ready tayo. Syndicate in 3, 2, 1, syndicate right side. Focus on syndicate to right side. Pass expel nyo. Yan, go. Bigyan ng space. Towards A6 tayo, towards A6, go back up, A6, pushing. Just keep pushing, guys. Faster, okay, good job. Okay, A6 tayo, don't side towards A6, let's take. Okay, may pressure to F in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Pressure sa F, you can break. F-box. CF, please. Take RD destroy the door. Go down, follow up, please. Get a better position, guys. May impulse kayo.
Makansel nandito sa M.
Dito sa M, follow up, guys. 6 swords, wormholes. Get them up, guys. Okay, just take sa my M. We're doing it. Retake, left side na tayo. Push to E7 na. Majority of Sigtor also radicals here. Lock them up. Set na tayo. Focus na, FF. Let's go, FF that. Break us M. Hold, A5 tayo. Uy, good combination.
Isa right side.
Okay, 80 tayo. Everyone at 80, let's go. 80. Bigyan yan. You want to fight? 80 to right bridge. Slow push tayo. Ignore niya sa E6, you don't care. I don't care. Nasaan na? Nasaan na mission? Going to. Okay. Move, guys. Right junction. Right junction.
Right side mo nyo rin isa pag ganito.
Tara. Roy Aiza. Nandito na ako. Roy A. That's not far. Roy Aiza, right junction. Roy back. Like it. Commander team, please. Focus to Roy Aiza. Back na kayo sa ATV. Ignore nyo na yun. Natin pa rin. Wala sila. 80 na base. Ignore nyo na. Roy Aiza, back tayo. Get up. Sabi kayo na split. Hold nyo lang to yung position na to. We are trying to split. May pa namin power, Killer please. Ang start. Para position na tayo sa junction na to. This Y-shaped junction thing. Between right junction and right bridge. Is the default position for now. Just pull. Allow your elbows to pull and expel. One doom on top of Yako, M&E. Easy move. Okay, just keep pulling. Okay, right side tayo. Focus on Sigtor. Okay, faster guys, faster. May juice. Ano yun? Sigtor na tayo. Disengage tayo after. Ay, 16 muna. Ignore na. Uprising na to. Bakit kayo uprising? Ready? Tela E7 in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Tela E7. Defend F. Mas defend F tayo. Nandito E4. Kulang na yung defend natin. Let's go. Stand up please. Pasang charge please. Okay. Base team guys on. Hold muna sa F please. I think Radicals is trying to push here from here. Hold muna F. Okay, everyone hold F. Nandito na yung Radicals from D8. Retake 14 MVP towards D8. Guys on base F. Push them back. Laki yan. Why are you D8? Sige. Okay, 100% na. Retake core MVP to A4 in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Kinukuha na. A4 tayo, retake core MVP. Guys on base, hold. Hold nyo lang. Nandito na, pwede kayong umakyat. Sa E4. It's fine, kaya. Possible. Just use your eyes and go up. High ground. Keep it up. Expel. Rotate. Guys on base, kamusta? How are you guys there? Wait, radicals ba?
Go down.
Okay, follow up with E4. Guys on, push to A6. Pakikuha yung A6. Let's go. Push tayo from E9. Push back natin yung radicals. Go guys on. Base team, pakichat yung A7. Ano pa rin sila? Si Kanye. Big boys and girls na kayo. Incoming from E9. Everyone at E9 please. Disengage to E4. Everyone at E9. E9. Incoming. One wave, radicals. Base team, pakichat na yung F and let us know. Pass and spell. Radicals at E9. Maraming 14 team, pakichat yung A7. Okay, naka-stairs na yung radicals. Can you check na lang sa may right side? Okay, 90 and stairs. But majority of them, yeah, sige. Sige na. So, ayun lang yun. Okay, push back na yung A6 faster. Walk faster guys, push back A6. Push back, A6. Retake, MVP, 14, Garrison. Saan ko muna kayo? Saan ko? Sa A6. E-Corp ready yung kanya, ready yung teleport yan, sige for bullies. But we'll take it sa E6. Take E6 na, teleport na, sorry, go after sa E6, please. Spell, go. Once this is neutral, we push out ha. Once this is neutral, we push out. Spell, okay, neutral, A5, A3, 2, 1, let's go, A5. Interact 12 o'clock of A5, let's go. 12 o'clock of A5, ignore na yung right eye, we can ignore. Ay, let's go damnation, A5, A5. Yan kung tinamit sa A5. Go up lang, go up. So, we're team. Back-clear lang, then move to A4 after. Back-clear, to A5 please, lang damnation of A5. Can you clear them out? Expel. Okay, once again, once it's neutral, we take E4, we take it away from E4. 5 o'clock stairs, disengage lang, disengage. Focus on A4. Nakacheck ako nila. Take down. 5 minutes. Neutral lang, neutral. Legal break. Ready ah. Sorry, please team. Maka-move na kayo soon. Once we take E4. Okay. Next, 16. Last 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, A4. Hold. Base team, pwede na kayo pumunta E4. Base team, pwede na kayo mag-E4. Okay na yan. Hindi na mag-titik. Mag-E4 na kayo. Okay, English E4. Tutok ka. Expel. Okay, keep it up guys. Uprising sa right side, E4 on lower left. Just hold on E5. High ground tayo. Go down. Uprising on lower right. E4 checking sa lower left. Here they come. E4 pushing sa lower left. Slowly but surely. Uprising on right side. Retake sa lower left the rest sa right side. Again, retake sa left. The rest sa right side. Let's go. Raw eyes out. Okay, sure natin yan. Okay, right side almost clear. Follow up. Left side for MVP. East help against E4. Okay, to right side. Raw eyes again, Let's go to E4 next. Right, left side. E4. Let's go down in 3, 2, 1. Let's go down. Lower left. E4. Let's go.
Go down.
Go down. Follow up. E4 tayo. I think there's a boost. Come on, let's do this. You can I'm sure I must do this. The mission there, we north, go down. That's why I said go down, guys. Go down, the rest of the hill. Go right and back. Row A. Left junction. Okay, they're going towards A2. A2, let's go. Find Roy Isaac. There's the blue one. Blue by left. Okay, they're moving towards A2. Fight them back. Again, we will expel. We have the advantage to the upper channel. So we don't have king count right now. Push it back.
Go down.
Follow up, guys. Angles, push forward. Yung angle ng sword nyo para mag-push tayo. Okay, push. Okay, do tayo sa left and right left and right, per minute, okay? Just hold. So get space, radicals pushing, right side. Big right, let's go, right side. Right, you're right. Okay, clear, go back to left junction, please. Back to left junction, that's clear. Back to left junction. Roy Isa, left junction, back to left junction, Roy Isa. Rest please, pass with the rest, okay? Follow up. One stop. First stop. Remove. Okay. Pushing forward, Elgas. Elga, give us space.
Go down.
Go down. Follow up, guys. Follow up. Copy up. Pagkin yan, Roy Isa. Just strong hill. Expel, please. Okay, we have space. Then we'll take A2 if it's clear. Left junction is clear. Let's get A2. Fine. Radicals. Okay, Roy is here. Take A2, please. Take A2 na. Take A2. Mag-load pa yan. Okay. Expel. E4. Go up, guys. Go up, A2. High down muna tayo. Go on start. Get high down first. Get the camp. Then go down. Okay? Go down in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. E4 on the right side. E4 right side. Take it down. Slowly. Push it out. Okay? Good. Right side. Marami pa. Right jump. E4. Expect. Okay? Good. Go to 18. Let's go. 18. Run to 18. Run to 18. AOS at 18. Let's take. Remove E4's camp here. Expel. Last second expel, we can. Tayo, let's go. A6. Push to A6. We have the last 5 minutes here. A6, kindly check. Roy Isa, guys. Defending. Expel. Master with expels. Don't give him time to react this time. Okay, open area towards E5. And E5 is open area muna tayo. Between E5 and A6, focus on radicals and Roy Isa. Okay, incoming Roy Isa from E3. Mag-E5 lahat. E5 all. That's it. Again, let's reposition first. E5 lahat. E5. Trust me on this one. That's all E5. Roy Isa pushing. Wait for them. Ready. Push towards E3. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Incoming, Roy Aiza. Push towards 80. Let's go. Roy, Roy, Roy. We have to keep Roy Aiza somewhere there. Okay, show keep first. Express. Okay, go, 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 go. 80, 80, 80. Check. Check for Roy Aiza. Gusto mo last. Up, back. Okay, keep 80, 80, 80. 80 first. Here, 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 please, spell. Spell. Okay, ready tayo. Let's put this neutral again. Let's capture, let's put neutral, we'll push the A6. Ready. Neutral first. Fine, out, out, out. We break first, neutral. Don't worry. A7, let's go. Ayan, nasa A7. Engage. Hit E7, hold E7, then we'll break last minute. Hello guys, position yourselves. Right next to the wall. Please compression tayo. Pitik. While we're taking A7, please compression lang, please compression. Yeah, pick them up, while we're taking A7. Almost equal. Okay, we have time. Pick them up. Get ready guys. 10 seconds. Okay, F-box in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, F-box. Okay, clear lahat. Don't break first. Just clear.
Bow down.
Clear them from the F-box. Don't break first. E-court sa right side. 18 seconds. Okay, break tayo in 3, 2, 1. So, attack.